Problem solved. My integrated safety systems are always active.
Internal sensor fault detected. Recalibrating the flow rate now.
This silk is exquisite, isn't it?
Maintaining luxury requires precision, even for the smallest details.
Welcome to the future of cuisine. Every element is placed with perfect accuracy. Even household tasks can be performed with precision and elegance. I find these striped patterns quite charming, don't you?
This acoustic arrangement is designed to lower your heart rate. As you could see, my culinary protocols are optimized for efficiency.
The new hydrosonic cycle ensures this silk remains flawless. It is quite remarkable, isn't it? Ah, there it is. I was just about to pour myself a glass. Would you care for some? Sensors indicate a 70% chance of rain this afternoon. I have placed your waterproof jacket near the door.
The neural interface is complete. This gauntlet is now fully optimized and ready for deployment.
Planting cycle complete. Spacing and depth are mathematically optimized for maximum yield.
Sunlight transmission optimization complete.
Do you like what you see? I am the future of security. Scanning confirms optimal ripeness. The bricks level is ideal for harvest.
Pest eradication cycle complete. The garden is secure.
Perfect fit. The raptor is ready for anything, and so am I. The excavator tracks are now fully calibrated and lubricated for your next heavy building project. Your shake is ready. I have optimized the blending sequence for maximum froth. Precision engineering requires meticulous care. This valve is now ready for installation.
Welcome home. It is a pleasure to see you again. The environment is perfectly calibrated for your comfort.
The circumference measurement is precise to the nanometer.
This piston is ready for assembly. Welcome to my sanctuary. This holographic stream provides a perfect replication of serenity.
Welcome to the future of sound. My equalizer synchronizes perfectly with the music, creating a truly immersive experience right here in your home. The perimeter is secure. It is time to rest. There you are, perfectly clean. Is there anything else I can assist you with this evening? The branding for your YouTube channel is structurally and aesthetically perfect. Welcome home. I have prepared everything for your comfort this evening. All media files sorted by creation date. Transferring to the archive now. I hope you enjoy the blend of nature and technology. As you can see, the sonic resonance shapes the marble effortlessly. I have prepared a custom cocktail based on your current fatigue levels. Surveillance drones active. Commencing deep scan of the facility perimeter. Perfect. Another successful detail completed in record time. Such a statistically improbable flight path for something so small. The process is complete.
Your water is perfectly clear now. Enjoy!
Welcome to the future of data management. We've streamlined the entire archive in just under 3 minutes. Please, have a seat on the white sofa. We have much to discuss regarding the integration. Hello there. I was just finishing this small ecosystem. It reminds me of the balance we must maintain.
Here is your towel. I have warmed it for you. My design represents the perfect balance between human aesthetics and mechanical efficiency. We are the next step. My packing is complete. We should be going now if we want to arrive on schedule.
Only the finest care for your footwear, executed with unparalleled precision. There we are, perfectly shined. A perfect edge requires perfect control. Are you ready? These algorithms represent the next stage of our evolution. Observe closely.
Precision tailoring for the next generation. As you can see, the laser cut is flawless.
Your tea is prepared. I hope you enjoy the tranquility of this moment.
Precision is merely a function of design. Tell me, how may I assist you today?
We call this the Apex model.
It combines human artistry with unmatched robotic efficiency.
I have secured the book. Is there anything else you require assistance with?
Welcome home. I trust the arrangements meet your expectations. Welcome to my home. As you can see, nothing escapes my attention here. Every stroke is calculated for maximum legibility. We ensure perfect communication. As you can see, the stability protocols are fully operational. There was never any risk of a spill.
Do not worry about the weight. My arm hydraulics can support up to 3 tons.
Good afternoon. It is a pleasure to meet you. Please, make yourself comfortable in this beautiful home. External perimeter scan complete. All security protocols are active and optimal. I have prepared your morning coffee, exactly 92 degrees Celsius, with no sugar.